Hello, my name is Camila Orolojo. I am a master's student at William Paterson University and their school counseling program. What attracted me to the school counseling program was that it's CACREP-accredited, which makes it easier to become a school counselor in the long run. This program stood out to me because they have a high success rate in passing the NCE, and it will open more doors for me in the future. What I've valued most in the program is the support of the staff and of my peers. The students are very diverse. We all are from different ages, different backgrounds, and we all come from different experiences in life, which helps a lot within the field. The faculty at the school counseling program are super supportive in answering all the concerns and questions that I have about the program. The school counseling program requires a practicum of 100 hours and internship 1 and internship 2 of 600 hours combined. Currently, I'm at practicum at a local high school. The program has really helped me excel in navigating all the challenges and actually bringing to life what I've learned from the program. The program offers in-person classes, which makes it easier to connect with people one-on-one, but it also offers asynchronous and hybrid classes to align more with your schedule. I'm really enjoying my time in the program. I'm even looking forward to, after graduating, to coming back and teaching a class of my own.